Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Beats. Alafia. Angeli Mioniso. Oliwuya Oguwata. Lọ́lákúnbá yakun Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́lákúnbá yakun Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi rò jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Aláràgbà yìí dàníyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó.
Do you know that if you mix ripe pawpaw, I'm talking of pawpaw, with soap and original honey, do you know that it will remove any form of negative energy affecting your business, affecting your life? If you mix ripe pawpaw, soap and honey together, do you believe that this method is very powerful to remove any form of spiritual attack, negative energy affecting your life, affecting your business? I want to tell you that without using those bad materials, I always say this, because you want to do Asina, you want to do it today, you are looking for a bad something to do. This one is different. Today I want to tell you that without using any bad materials, there is power in nature. Only if you know how to mix it, if you know the secrets, you understand. Because I always tell you that there is difference between using seed, leaf, plants, root, and some other bad materials. Believe me, if you try this simple one that I want to explain today, you will make it. If you are interested of using herbal something, you understand. So today I want to quickly explain how to use ripe pawpaw, honey and soap to remove any form of negative energy. I will advise you to do this. Share it with your family. Share it with your loved one. This one is different from those chemical soap you are using. This one will fight both physically and spiritually. It works perfectly. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutsu, or Latibi also known as Babu. If this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips just like the one you want to watch right now. And if you find one of my videos very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to message me, or you comment, or you call me on the 0773742255. So as I was saying today, I want to quickly share with you what you can use to remove any form of negative energy from your life and from your business. What you need is ripe pawpaw. In my previous video, I explained how to use unripe pawpaw, small one, with soap. Honestly speaking, people they call me, they give me testimony, but my concern is that whenever you try any of my tip and it work for you, even if it is not work, please always comment under the comment section. You understand? Although I appreciate those that call me, those that share their testimony with me. You understand? So if you if you see a ripe pawpaw, it's not that you are going to use all the ripe pawpaw, but depend on the quantity of the soap that you want to do. If the quantity of the soap you want to do is very large, soap is very cost now. The small soap we used to buy around 500 naira. Now the soap is 1,000 naira. So soap now is native soap now is good. You understand? So I don't know the quantity of soap. If it is a maybe big soap, you can use one ripe pawpaw. You understand? But if you just want to do it for you and your family, you understand? You get small pawpaw. Maybe you get the whole pawpaw and you cut small out of it. You understand? Together with the seed, you pound it very well with soap. That's all. That's all. Now use original honey. I told you about this original honey. Don't use any honey. If you know something that you can use to identify the original honey, please go ahead and do it before you use it. If you don't have, you can take it to a laboratory and they will check it if it is original or not. So you are going to use this honey to mix the soap very well. That's all. You keep the soap in a plastic cover. Bathe this soap in the night or in the morning before you go out, before you commence your daily activities, or in the night before you sleep. Though it's very simple, but if you apply your faith and you follow my instruction, you will surely share me a good testimony. The material you need is ripe pawpaw, soap, and original honey. So that's all. If you really love this video, please tell me to like this video, you comment under this video, and if you share my video, I will appreciate it. If you like this video, you comment. You also give me support, and I also appreciate it. As you like this video, you comment under this video. May Almighty God be with you, be with your family. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Thank you very much. Ìbà ó, Mr. Muti wà pẹ́ láyé o. Ìbà ó, Ọlábídé wà pẹ́ láyé. Ìbà ó, Mr. Muti wà pẹ́ láyé o. Ìbà ó, Ọlábídé wà pẹ́ láyé. Ẹni fẹ́ kí o kú, ẹni fẹ́ kí o kú. Àgbéyàrá ayé wa lọ gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀yún ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ mi kú ewé ìbà ó. Ọlábídé wà pẹ́ láyé. Ṣọ́wa ṣọ́wa bàbá ṣọ́wa o. Aṣọ funfun tí àwọ̀ ìlú káyé máa fi kó sí. Oníyàn tí mo bẹ̀rù ayé tó tó. Ṣọ́wa ṣọ́wa bàbá ṣọ́wa o. Aṣọ funfun tí àwọ̀ ìlú káyé máa fi kó sí. Oníyàn tí mo bẹ̀rù ayé tó tó. Àdèkúta bẹ̀rù ẹni tó fúyẹ́ lára àjẹ́. Àdèkúta bẹ̀rù ẹni tó fúyẹ́ lára àjẹ́. Oníyàn tí mo bẹ̀rù ayé tó tó. Ṣọ́wa ṣọ́wa bàbá ṣọ́wa o. Aṣọ funfun tí àwọ̀ ìlú káyé máa fi kó sí. Oníyàn tí mo bẹ̀rù ayé tó tó. Ṣọ́wa ṣọ́wa bàbá ṣọ́wa o. Aṣọ funfun tí àwọ̀ ìlú káyé máa fi kó sí. Oníyàn tí mo bẹ̀rù ayé tó tó. Àdèkúta bẹ̀rù ẹni
tó fúyẹ́ lára ayé. Àdìgúta mẹ́rù ẹni tó fúyẹ́ lára ayé. Oníyàn tí mo lẹ̀kú ayé, ayé tuntun. Tọ́wọ́tọ́wọ́ bàbá tọ́wọ́ o. Aṣọ funfun tí àwọn Yorùbá yẹn máa tó kó sí. Oníyàn tí mo bẹ̀rù ayé, ayé tuntun. Tọ́wọ́tọ́wọ́ bàbá tọ́wọ́ o. Aṣọ funfun tí àwọn Yorùbá yẹn máa tó kó sí. Oníyàn tí mo bẹ̀rù ayé, ayé tuntun. Àdìgúta mẹ́rù ẹni tó fúyẹ́ lára ayé. Àdìgúta mẹ́rù ẹni tó fúyẹ́ lára ayé. Oníyàn tí mo bẹ̀rù ayé, ayé tuntun. Ìbà o, Mr. Amuti ọpẹ́ láyé o. Ìbà o, ọ̀la ti bọ̀ ọpẹ́ láyé. Ìbà o, Mr. Amuti ọpẹ́ láyé o. Ìbà o, ọ̀la ti bọ̀ ọpẹ́ láyé. Ẹni fẹ́ kí o kú, ẹni fẹ́ kí o kú. Agúnyá láyé ọ̀dọ́gbọ́n bẹ̀ lọ́rùn. Ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ mi kú ewé ìbà o. Ọ̀la ti bọ̀ ọpẹ́ láyé. Ìbà o, Mr. Amuti ọpẹ́ láyé o. Ìbà o, ọ̀la ti bọ̀ ọpẹ́ láyé. Ìbà o.